Meaning of forest.
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 Forest. A forest is an area with a large number of trees, plants, and wildlife that has grown naturally over time. Forests can range from small patches of trees to large expanses covering thousands of acres. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature by absorbing carbon dioxide, producing oxygen, regulating water cycles, and providing habitats for numerous species. However, deforestation caused by human activities such as logging, mining, and urban development continues to threaten the world's forests and biodiversity. Protecting these vital ecosystems is essential for the future of our planet.